Inspiration. It's a feeling, it's a fire, it's inside us, we all have it. It's that spark that ignites our passions and fuels our dreams. It's the driving force behind every great achievement and every small act of kindness. It's what makes us human, what connects us to one another, and what pushes us to be better versions of ourselves. Inspiration makes us want more. It drives us to reach for the stars, to climb higher, to push beyond our limits. It's the whisper in our ear that tells us we can do it, that we are capable of greatness. It makes us want better. It makes us believe in the impossible. It's the reason we get up in the morning, the reason we keep going, even when things get tough. It's the light at the end of the tunnel, the hope that keeps us moving forward. Think of a time you felt amazed. Maybe it was when you stood at the edge of a vast canyon, or when you looked up at the night sky and saw a million stars shining down on you. Maybe you saw a beautiful sunset, the sky ablaze with colors, and felt a sense of wonder and awe. Maybe you heard a moving song that touched your soul, or felt the breeze on your face as you stood on a mountaintop. That feeling? That's inspiration. It's the magic that makes life worth living. It tells us anything is possible. Inspiration is a gift. It's the spark that lights our way, the force that drives us to be our best selves. But it's also a choice. We can choose to be inspired, to see the beauty in the world around us, to find joy in the little things. We can choose to see the good, to focus on the positive, to be grateful for what we have. We can choose to be hopeful, to believe in ourselves and in our ability to make a difference. We can choose to be inspired, to let that spark within us grow and shine. When we're inspired, we feel alive. We feel powerful. We feel connected to something greater than ourselves. We feel ready to take on the world. So, embrace the spark within you. Let it guide you, let it inspire you, and let it lead you to greatness. Many people have achieved great things. They were inspired. They had dreams. These dreams were not just fleeting thoughts but powerful visions that drove them to take action. They faced numerous challenges and obstacles, yet they persevered. Their stories are a testament to the power of human spirit and determination, and they made them happen. Think of Malala Yousafzai. She fought for education, she was shot. Despite the dangers, she continued her fight. Her courage and resilience have inspired millions around the world. She became a symbol of hope and strength for those who are oppressed, but she never gave up. Her story teaches us that no matter how tough the situation, we can always find a way to rise above it. Her unwavering determination is a beacon of light for all of us. She inspires us to be brave. Think of Oprah Winfrey. She overcame poverty. She faced numerous rejections and setbacks in her career, yet she never let these challenges define her. Instead, she used them as stepping stones to build her empire. She became a media giant. Her journey from a troubled childhood to becoming one of the most influential women in the world is truly remarkable. She teaches us the importance of self-belief and perseverance. She inspires us to believe in ourselves. These stories of inspiration remind us that we all have the potential to achieve greatness. It's about having the courage to pursue our dreams and the resilience to overcome any obstacles that come our way. These stories teach us something. We all have potential. We just need to tap into it. Surrounding ourselves with supportive and positive people can make a huge difference. Together we can achieve more than we ever thought possible. Inspiration can help us unlock it. It can come from anywhere, a book, a person, a moment in nature. It's about finding that spark that ignites our passion and drives us to be the best version of ourselves. We can do amazing things. When we are inspired, we can achieve the extraordinary. Let's embrace these stories and let them fuel our own journeys towards greatness. Inspiration touches everything. It affects our work. It affects our relationships. It affects our view of the world. When we're inspired at work, we do our best. We are creative. We are passionate. We make a difference. When we're inspired in love, we are kind. We are understanding. We build strong bonds. Inspiration makes us better. It makes us happier. It makes us more connected to the world around us. Section 4. Igniting the flame, cultivating inspiration daily. Inspiration is everywhere. It's in the air we breathe, the sights we see, and the sounds we hear. Every day presents a new opportunity to find something that ignites our passion and creativity. We just have to look for it. Sometimes it's as simple as stepping outside and taking a deep breath. The beauty of the natural world can be a powerful source of inspiration. We can find it in nature. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the gentle flow of a stream can all spark a sense of wonder and creativity. We can find it in art. Art allows us to see the world through different perspectives. Whether it's a painting, a sculpture, or a piece of music, art can move us and inspire us to create. We can find it in other people. Spend time outside, listen to music, read inspiring books, engage in conversations with friends and strangers alike. Everyone has a story to tell, and each story can be a source of inspiration. Talk to people you admire. Their experiences and insights can provide valuable lessons and spark new ideas. Mentorship and meaningful conversations can be incredibly inspiring. These things spark our inspiration. Make a vision board, write down your goals, surround yourself with positivity. Visualizing your dreams and setting clear intentions can help keep you motivated and inspired. These actions keep the flame of inspiration burning. By actively seeking out and nurturing sources of inspiration, we can keep our creative fires alive and thriving every day. Section 5. A hopeful heart, embracing the possible. Inspiration is a journey. It's a lifelong pursuit. It's about hope. It's about believing in a brighter future. You have dreams. You have passions. You have the power to make a difference. Trust in yourself. Believe in your dreams. Open your heart to inspiration. Let it guide you. Let it transform you. Let it empower you to live your best life. Inspiration is waiting. Embrace it.